If you've been struggling with getting traffic to your website, getting sales to your product, getting application installed to your application, getting users and returning your audience, this particular AI chatbot that I'm going to show you right here is going to simply help you convert your visitors to buyers and also sell your digital product. What you need to do is simply watch this video down to the very end. Okay, imagine going to your website and you see an AI chatbot that can actually help them navigate your website. This AI chatbot automatically knows what you are aiming for. All right, it is going to simply bring out list of topics that you are interested in, and you're going to simply pick the one you want. Okay, for instance, this is what it says here: ask me anything about this particular blog. What are the top blogging niche? These are the recommendation of what you can actually ask it. All right, then how to select a forest broker, best smartphone, blah blah blah, and lot more. Okay, so let's say we want to go for what are the top blogging niche. So let's click on it. Once you click on it, automatically it's going to simply come to this very section that looks like a chatbot. All right, then you click on the send button. Automatically inside the same website, without moving out of your website, you're going to see the whole recommendation, everything. So you can show right here, it is actually answering the question one after the other, and automatically after answering the question, it's going to simply take you to the right blog content inside this particular website that you are going to simply go into. Let's say if you click on it right now, automatically it's going to simply redirect you to that same blog post. Okay, so instead of you scrolling looking for what you want, this particular AI chatbot can actually help you with all of this stuff. Right, you can see, and the best part is that it is not leading you out of any other website. It's basically browsing inside that same website you are visiting. All right, and if you have other question to ask it, you can actually type it right here. Okay, and if you want to create a new chat, you can click on this and click on create a new chat. Okay, so with this strategy right now, this is going to simply help my audience stick to my website longer. This is not only for blog content. You can also use this strategy to handle your product selling website, your service selling website, and a lot more, which is going to simply direct every single visitor to your service, right? And also redirect people to your DM. With this same strategy, you can actually collect lead and build a business for yourself even while you are sleeping using this simple AI chatbot. Okay, for you to set this up for yourself, this is a website you're going to simply go into. I'm going to review the name of this website later on in this very video, so you can actually learn how it works before rushing in. All right, so that you won't make any single mistakes. All right, so what you need to do is simply come to this section right here. You click on this single button right here, click on this get started button on this section, then click on continue with Google. All right, you can sign up with your Google account. Make sure you logged into your Google account on your browser. All right, so click on that. It's going to simply redirect you to your Google account, where you have to simply select the account you want to sign up with. All right, I'm going to select this one. Okay, so on this very section right now, they're going to ask you the name of your website. Okay, so this is going to simply help the AI chatbot to understand everything about your website, so that when it's delivering the answers, the questions, every other stuff to be about your website. Okay, so right now I'm going to simply use padded verbs. So click on this and copy this. All right, then come back to this very section here, then paste the website URL here, then add the name of your bot. Okay, okay, then click on the continue button. So they're going to ask you to pick your style color. Okay, so you have to simply look at your website and check out the type of color that match with your website designer. Right, so let's say I want to go with the red button right here, and this is what it says here: greeting message, hi there, how can I help you today? You can see it right here. So click on the continue button, and right here you're going to simply provide every single question. If you want to customize the type of question it answers on your website, then you have to simply add them right here. Okay, so let's say you want to add what is your business hour, or how much is your product, what type of payment method do you accept, something like that. Okay, so if you don't know anything to add, if you don't want to start searching yourself about that, just click on this AI suggest, so that the AI will look into your website and see everything you do and be able to give you all the simple questions and answers. Okay, so click on this right now. So automatically this is going to simply browse every single section of your website to bring out all the details about your website. Okay, so let's allow it to load. It's going to simply take like a few minutes, like 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so you can see right here automatically it's here right now. What services do you offer? You can see right here everything about padded vibes is here. Can you build e-commerce, blah 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 is here. Do you understand, blah 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 is here. So let me break it down on how this works. Okay, so for instance, now if a visitor comes in, they're not going to be seeing this answer. They are going to see these questions. Okay, so they're going to see, what services do you offer? Can you build an e-commerce store for my business? Okay, so these are the questions they will see. So once they click on this one, the answer will pop up automatically. You can decide to add a link to it. Let's say you want to add link. to that answer, so that once the AI answers that, automatically the link will also show. Okay, so if you want to use this particular link right now to promote your app, to promote anything on your website, you are good to go with that. Okay, all right, so once you have that in place, the next thing to do is to scroll down a little bit, then you click on the continue button right here. This is what it says here. The free version allows you to actually add link. Okay, you're gonna simply add any link that can actually help you generate lead. Okay, so if you want to add this link on WhatsApp, you can actually add the link right here. Okay, you can see right here the placeholder here is basically WhatsApp URL. Okay, so all you need to do is simply add any URL you want from this very section, and once you're done with that, scroll down a bit on this section, then click on the continue button right here. Okay, automatically this is going to simply take you to the next page where you can actually launch this particular tool on your website. Okay, so automatically this is already set for us. Okay, so next thing to do is to actually copy this to your website. Okay, so this is what it said, that you can actually add this to the body tag of your website. You can see this is the code here, so copy this code here. So once you copy this code, go over to your website from this very section, go to your website. Alright, go to your website, then install this particular plugin on your website. Scroll down a bit, then install this plugin on your website. This is WP Insert Header and Footer. Install this on your website, then click on header and footer from this very section here. Okay, so automatically you're going to simply add this to the body tag of your website like this. Okay, so this is basically how you can actually get this done for yourself. And the best part is that once you add it, automatically this is going to simply appear on your website. Click on the save button right here, and this is going to simply be saved for you. Okay, and once you have this in place, this is going to simply help you with your traffic. It's also going to simply help you with your sales generations, and also help you to convert your visitors from normal visitors to buyers and also customers. Okay, all you need to do is simply keep publishing content on your website. Make sure that your website is running AdSeller, Montag, advertisement on your website. Okay, so that your website can also convert to ad impression. So this is basically how this thing works. Okay, if you found this helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this video channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. Okay, the name of the website is dropboat.me. okay, so go ahead and check this out right now and try it for yourself, and don't forget to subscribe to this video channel, turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. So see you in my next update.